This is a nice canvas. We're going to draw a special type of scenery. You can see here, this is going to be the land, and we're just drawing some traditional China houses. So this is the bottom part. You can see the pitched roof just little bit carved towards upward. Okay, another part you can see, and again the pitched roof carving on the top. Okay, another house here, and another pitched roof just carving on top. Okay, so China model house. This is going to be the water all around it, and straight line. These are the greeneries. You can see the greeneries on both sides. Okay, drawing the details of the court and the veranda. Awesome. Few pointy trees you can see in a far distance. All right, here you can see two of those. Then the sky, and the birds are flying in the sky. Lots of birds. Awesome. So very simple scenery. Let's put the color, then it's going to be visible very nicely. So blue color I'm putting here. On both sides of the house you can see the blue. Okay, the water body also coming up with the blue, lots of blue here. All right, the sky is going to be like this one. Few strokes. For the trees, you're just putting the greens here. That's for the landscape. And the taller trees, you're just putting green strokes. Few green strokes here. Awesome. And also putting green at the base of the island here. Okay, so green base, and the pink color we're putting for the roof. Awesome. Pink color, another pink color we're putting here. All right, just drawing the details. Okay, awesome. So simple drawing, simple strokes, very small amount of time, drawn within 4 or 5 minutes. Very easy. A lake, a island, a house, some trees and the birds flying in the sky. You can do practice. Thanks for watching. Stay with us, and good to see you in other videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.